boy, she did call hot spot, didn't she?
I don't want to talk about it.
Wow, look at that. Don't jump over.
Don't jump over. So who's the baby?
Scarlet.
Scarlet, and that's Monet.
Mm-hmm.
Now, she's got such a good recall. She can be off leash, but my baby not so much. I mean, she's pretty good, but not good enough. If a car came, I think she'd come back to me.
That's Camilla. That's a dozer puppy.
She is so heavy.
This is a dozer puppy.
Look how heavy she is in her body.
She is. Look how big her bone is.
I know. Here's my Happy Taffy. Laffy Taffy.
She should be just about done. Whoa.
With her championship,
Yeah.
she's got 8 points. We haven't been out since December the 1st in Dallas. She picked up a major, and her sister picked up a major. We missed that Glen Rose show, first show of the year.
Oh, yeah, you were signed up.
Yeah.
Okay. Come on, stay with us.
Then we missed the show that's happening this weekend.
I know, that was because of me, but we couldn't help it. Violet had puppies.
So Mo's pretty good.
No,
No, she does not used to being on a leash. When we're walking, she's used. She's pulling me along. She's used to just being free. Come on.
Well, her parents are good. Oh, they couldn't hit them. Look at her move.
Who, this baby?
Yeah, she's
Yeah, I don't
favoring
really
her
like the
right
way she's
hip.
moving at all. But
both her parents.
you know, have you got her on some good joint supplement every day? Every day,
Really?
every day. Yeah, I X-rayed Mo, and those hip joints are not closed
Oh gosh, no.
at this age. So get her on your joint
She was
supplement.
born in October.
Mo
right?
was born September the 28th,
I think she was born in October.
1st of October.
First of October, something like that. These are October puppies. I don't know. I'll show her at our show if I can get her framed. To remind me. But you know who wins the 6-month-old?